Hi, folks. Meteorologist Don Paul here on my YouTube channel, Don Paul Weather Plus, giving you a bit of a heads up for the end of the week and the start of the weekend. This is the Storm Prediction Center convective outlook for Friday, and you'll notice the central and eastern Great Lakes, that's us, is in that shade of green, which depicts a marginal 5% risk of severe thunderstorms. Now, that may sound totally insignificant. If it were totally insignificant, it wouldn't be marginal. We would just be in this lighter shade of green, meaning the chance of so-called garden variety storms. Some of the ingredients will be in place Friday for the potential for some stronger thunderstorms in spots. Severe would mean damaging thunderstorms, wind gusts in excess of 58 miles an hour, and or 1-inch diameter hail, which would put a dink in your Dodge. So while it's a marginal risk, I am seeing some indications in a couple of the computer models I've looked at that combined with the heating and increased moisture content in the atmosphere, it is going to be a muggy Friday. In fact, really Thursday night into Saturday evening is going to be another muggy period. Not a midsummer heat wave, but pretty uncomfortable for some folks. The conditions will be more favorable for scattered and occasional showers and storms. Let's take a look at just one high resolution model and how it's showing things for Friday. And here it's got some strong to possibly severe storms just before sunrise over Lake Huron and Upper Analpena, Michigan. And these storms initially in the upper level flow moved almost due east into mid-morning. Now we're at 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. and then they begin sinking to the southeast. This is very common climatology for these thunderstorm complexes early in the day to follow invisible contours in the atmosphere in which they go from moving toward the east to diving toward the southeast. And so this model is showing one complex becoming quite strong around 9, 10 in the morning near Long Point, and it dipsy-doodles all the way to the south by this point. And if this model were right on the money, it would miss Buffalo. But I can tell you, since I'm recording this on a Wednesday afternoon, no model can make a call that precise that far in advance. But it shows the atmosphere will be sufficiently unstable for those storms to at least come close Friday morning, and then we get some stabilization of the atmosphere behind them, things settle down, but then it's possible by late in the day, other complexes will begin to take shape over Lake Huron and begin to sink all over again toward the east and then the southeast. So it's going to be an unsettled period Friday and Saturday, muggy, not oppressive, but mugwa will be muggified, and the chance of some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms for a minority of the time. But it does mean baseball tournaments and the like outdoor plans are going to have to be kept flexible. Coaches, umpires will have to pay close attention. When it roars, go indoors. Lightning can easily strike 10 to 15 miles in any direction from a thunderstorm, which means it's just as dangerous when a thunderstorm has just passed you as it is when it's approaching you. And I've had some friends saying, when are we going to get a really extended dry spell where painting can be done and things of the like? Well, we're still seeing periods of 2 to occasionally 3 days of dryness, but I'm not seeing a overall shift to an extended dry period. And speaking of dry, while Saturday will be muggy and occasionally unsettled with a few spotty showers and storms, Sunday, as I've been saying since this past Monday, still looks to be dry, less humid, and the more comfortable of the 2 weekend days. I will keep you updated on any severe weather potential here on Don Paul Weather Plus, and I hope you will hit the subscribe button so I may survive. Well, I'm not in danger, but please hit it.